Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. GraceKennedy Group says it's keen on expansion this year with plans to grow its remittance business and digital footprint. The company has also set targets for growing its manufacturing business. Here's Javon Keys.
GraceKennedy Group says it made a $7.6 billion profit after tax for the 2022 financial year, which ended December. Despite those earnings reflecting a 15% fall compared to 2021, GK is keen on growth for 2023. CEO of GraceKennedy, Don Webby, says the company's remittance business has seen a decline as fewer funds are being sent through the various services. He says the company is looking to boost avenues for remittances through a new deal for Western Union, which it operates.
We have signed with a major retail chain in Jamaica where 50-odd plus locations will become Western Union locations, and we expect that to be announced very, very shortly. So our network now is over 200, and we're going to be adding 50 more locations for Western Union, which is going to make it even more attractive for our customers to go and get their funds.
He says the offer also presents the opportunity to add more locations throughout the region. Meanwhile, Mr. Webby says GK has also signed another deal to expand its digital remittance service offerings.
We have signed, is subject to regulatory approval. We are one of the largest financial institutions in the region and one of the largest potentially digital platform in Jamaica that we are going to be through GraceKennedy Money Services and Western Union will be offering our digital remittance services, and that again is going to make a significant difference to our digital offering for our money services business.
GraceKennedy has spent more than $1 billion on expanding its digital footprint. Meanwhile, GK says it hopes to boost exports over the next 2 years.
I want to increase the exports to 50% by 2025. I want to earn more foreign exchange for Jamaica. 50% by 2025. We're currently at about 30%. We are very, very confident that we're going to hit these numbers, and we're going to be investing heavily behind manufacturing to ensure that we can see this export growth initiative.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Let's look at what happened with the foreign currency trading. The US dollar is being sold for an average $152.37. $110.76 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $183.91 for the pound, while it's costing an average $161.19 for the euro. The JSE index rose by 304 points today, while the junior market index gained 9 points. Among the winners, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Portland JSX, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Supreme Ventures, and JMMB Group 7.5%. Losers include Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Margarita Turks US dollar shares, Palace Amusement, Jamaica Producers Group, and Jamaican Teas. We'll take this break and go to international stories.